Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's full tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create professional t-shirt mockups for your Etsy store in 2026 using simple tools, even if you have zero design experience. So, great mockups can dramatically increase clicks and conversions on your listings. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know how to design, place your artwork, and export high-quality mockups ready for Etsy. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand what t-shirt mockup is. A mockup is a realistic preview of your design on a product. Instead of showing a flat design, you show a model wearing the shirt, a folded shirt lifestyle shot, a clean product-only image. This helps customers visualize the product and increases trust. Step 2. Choose a mockup tool. The easiest way in 2026 is using Canva, Placeit, Photoshop. In this tutorial, we will focus on Canva, since it's free and simple. Step 3. Get your t-shirt design ready. Before creating mockups, you need your design. You can create it using Canva, Illustrator, or AI tools. Make sure your design is includes high resolution, PNG with transparent background, centered and clean. Step 4. Open Canva and search for mockups. You could just type t-shirt mockups. Okay? Inside Canva, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just search for t-shirt mockup, as I said, right? And select your template. Right, let's say I'm gonna choose this one, right? All I gotta do is just hit use this template. This is not free, so I'm gonna use something else. Let me use a free one. Where is a free one here? All right, let's say I'm gonna go ahead with not this. Let's say I'm gonna go ahead with this one. Alright, I'm gonna head customize this design or customize this template. It's not perfect, but whatever. Now what you gotta do, you gotta just go ahead and add your design. You'll find ready-made mockup template, and of course you can add your logo inside this template, right? Go ahead and hit upload here, right, to the upload, and hit upload files, okay, or drag it onto the canvas and apply design to the mockup. Okay, so let's say this is my design. I'm not supporting Netflix, so this is not an ad, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it here, and basically that's it. Okay, Canva automatically adjusts perspective and fits the design onto the shirt. This creates a realistic preview instantly. Now you can adjust placement inside. You can refine your mockup, resize the design, center it properly, adjust position. Chest area is most common. So pro tip: keep consistent placement across all mockups for branding, right? And customize the background. Okay, to make your listing stand out, use a clean white background, add lifestyle scenes, use neutral colors, avoid clutter. Etsy prefers clean visuals. Step 9. Create multiple mockups. Don't rely on just one image. Go ahead and create variations. Go again, search for t-shirt mockups and apply another design. Male model, female model, flat lay, close-up, lifestyle shot. Etsy listings perform better with 5 to 10 images. And you can add branding elements, which is optional. You can enhance your mockups with logo watermark, small text like premium cotton, subtle shadows. Keep it minimal and professional. Alright? Step 11, export the high quality images. Okay? Once ready, click share at the top, right? And hit download. And choose PNG for high quality or GPG for better sharing. Okay? So let's say GPG, right? And I'm gonna just go ahead and hit download. But if you're using PNG, I'm gonna select the quality. Excuse me, hold on. And again, and just move it out. Move it to 1920 by 1080. Okay, so yeah. And then what you're gonna do, go ahead to your listing on Etsy, okay, and add your mockup, right? So all you gotta do is just go ahead and basically go to the shop and basically add your mockup images, set the best one as the thumbnail, arrange images in order. First image is most important, right? This drives clicks. Pro tip, use real life models like for higher trust, keep lighting consistent, use neutral tones, show product clearly, test different thumbnail styles. Avoid low quality images, overcrowded backgrounds, misaligned designs using only one mockup, or unrealistic scaling. So, to bring this all together, here's the process. Create your design, open Canva, choose mockup template, insert design, adjust placement, export images, upload to Etsy. Done. Creating a t-shirt mockups in 2026 is basically as straightforward and easier than ever thanks to tools like Canva. With just few steps, you can turn simple designs into professional product images that attract clicks and drive sales on Etsy. Remember, your mockup is your storefront. Make it look premium. Consider liking this video, subscribing, until next time. See you.